We'll keep going until XRP reaches new record highs. Over 2.5 years have passed, and we're almost at 3 years since the case began, and it's been quite a ride. But now we must reveal some shocking information. The primary question of whether or not XRP is a security has been resolved. Let me tell you, you guys are the living legends, because despite the doubts and the criticism, we've demonstrated that XRP has incredible potential, and now more and more people are coming over to our side. Hello there, and thank you for watching our channel. If this is your first time here, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and enable notifications so that you'll know as soon as we post something new. Please leave a comment telling us what you think and giving us a thumbs up. Proceed at once. You would never say never, would you? Yes, I realize that may sound ridiculous, but hear me out. I'm waiting for XRP to drop to a price I find appealing before selling any I have. The Ripple announcement about XRP caused a media frenzy, and there's a key reason for that. Due to a saturation of the XRP margin markets, some exchanges, including KuCoin, have temporarily disabled margin orders to purchase XRP. The total amount of XRP held in the margin market on the platform has reached the maximum allowed. It appears that the fear of missing out, FOMO, was widespread. We've been saying this for a long time, and now people consider us to be legends. It's really surprising that no platform could handle the 50x spike in volume we saw today, and this wasn't even due to institutional buyers, as even Uphold experienced this phenomenon and went down temporarily. That's just not my style, if you ask me. As a holder, I intend to keep my position until the price rises dramatically. For the time being. Let's suppose it's in the thousands, but I won't hold out forever. Whether or not I make a purchase depends on a number of circumstances, including how close we are to collapsing. We need to take things day by day due to the many factors at play, but today XRP caused exchanges to go awry. There were shifts in the cryptographic landscape, and Apple is the sole platform that stuck with XRP through it all. If you still want to buy XRP after all this, just look at the balloon and their emblem, which represents the connection to the puzzles. I, personally, have entertained the thought. Perhaps some of my spare cash would be well spent on XRP. Currently, today's rise in activity levels is unique. We installed 10x scaling buffers after the 2021 boom, but they weren't enough to accommodate the sudden increase in traffic. But now that we've fixed the problem, we're doing everything we can to keep these record lows in check. Exchanges are straining to deal with the massive buying activity, and today verifies that the maximum regulatory deluge in the United States is behind us and it's time to celebrate. Coinbase just tweeted the following bit of information. W stands for Ripple. A win for the industry, a win for the builders, a win for a streamlined regulatory framework, and the best part, XRP is now available for trading on Coinbase. Again, you read that correctly. Coinbase is actively competing again. At long last, the XRP network will once again permit trade in XRP. If you want to keep your money safe, don't send this asset via any other networks. In regions where trading is enabled, XRP transfers can still be made on Coinbase and the Coinbase exchange. And if I'm not mistaken, the XRP/USD pair just started trading again. Look at the promising future we have. Today, an important announcement was made by Ripple through Twitter. XRP is not a security in any way. The success of Ripple is good news for the whole business sector. It's a big deal for the United States' quest for regulatory certainty. How can you explain that? Guys? That's why we've waited patiently for these verdicts before reaching our ultimate decision. It finally arrived. This event occurred as a delay mechanism to give the world time to prepare for what is to come. The BRICS nations are planning to launch their own digital currency or even a gold-backed currency in the near future. Not to mention the Federal Reserve, which will launch very soon. Do you feel like things are coming together for you now? For this reason, I have been and will continue to emphasize it. We won't let up, and we'll keep the pressure on. I'm hoping XRP reaches $100 before the market crashes in the third digit. This is a huge achievement, and I'd like to thank the brilliant people behind XRP and its continued success: Brad Garland House, Chris Larson, and Sarah L. authored. By the year 2025, I assure you, none of this will have been made up. I guarantee that we will go down in history as icons. Breaking news: we've defeated the bear, and Gary Gensler and company have nothing to say about it. Now that XRP has overtaken BNB, it is the fourth largest cryptocurrency in the world by coin market cap, while technically it is the third largest if we count USCT as a stable coin. Nonetheless, market cap rankings can be deceptive. Bitcoin is our next target. Exactly what you heard is true. Everyone's on our side, even Elon Musk. Just think about how much he likes XRP. We've said as much before. He took on not only his firm but also Ripple. It's very likely, in fact, that Elon Musk once owned XRP and might still do so today. He has active wallets. More proof has surfaced this week. Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul Gray-Wall tweeted his satisfaction as a lawyer today, and guess who liked his tweet? Yes, the man himself, Elon Musk. They're all moving over to our side because they've seen what's coming with XRP, and they know it's going to be explosive, not just in the next year or two, but for decades as it becomes a part of the new financial system. Now is the moment to keep up the constant pressure. This is just my opinion, though, and not meant to be taken as financial guidance. Let's get ready to go now. Let's get ourselves prepared for what's coming. I was curious about the latest XRP developments, so I visited a website called Fiat Link. Guys, check out this ruckus. Liquidity is fluctuating wildly. It's been going on for a while now, perhaps hours. Millions of trades are being made every minute thanks to the bots, and I think Ripple has also removed or unlocked their suppression bots. Just look at how quickly XRP has been rising to see that the time has come, and that things are already heating up. In the last minute alone, over $2 million has changed hands. I know, it's hard to believe. There are many potential purchasers, and perhaps some willing sellers as well. Well done. On the other hand, my sales aren't even close to being at an all-time high. Hello, everyone. The recent flood of legal updates about XRP and the Ripple case indicates that things are moving along fairly favorably. If you want to learn more about this, I've included several resources down below. Even foresee an unprecedented deluge of news items in the coming days as a result of Reuters' reported substantial victory in the SEC case pertaining to the XRP cryptocurrency. Tom Emmer joined the chorus, pointing out that the Ripple case marked a significant step toward establishing that a token is not the same as an investment contract. On a personal level, I can feel the waves of happiness and relief that have spread around the community since today's victory. Seeing the joy felt by XRP users makes me happy. Take a moment, Twitter, and savor the satisfaction of justice after all those years of suffering. That's what keeps lawyers up at night. Let your joy overtake you today, for it is a day of celebration. Eleanor Tourette's kindness, the climax is here, and we get to see it. The bulls turned out to be spot on. The current upswing in Bitcoin's price is instructive, and we'll likely discuss it in more detail tomorrow, but as XRP gains traction, we should expect a beneficial impact across the entire market, possibly leading to a boom in other coins. The future of XRP is the topic of tomorrow's article. There are innumerable people speaking up and sending forth Twitter storms. In light of the historic events of the day, I have compiled all the relevant connections to the legal story below. The lesson, the golden nugget, is that XRP is not a security because of the definition of a security. Since the SEC and Kerry Gasser do not have jurisdiction over the sale of XRP on exchanges, they do not have jurisdiction over the sale of any cryptocurrency on exchanges. Given the criticism it has received in the past, Ripple's willingness to defend the entire industry is quite remarkable. However, consider our current situation. Those who once criticized Ripple and XRP are now among its biggest supporters. Yes, that is an improvement. The view from the summit was worth the bumpy ride up here. It's time for us to rise up and leave the past in the dust. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later. Bye.